We already have one YouTube channel. You now want to expand and build another YouTube channel. What is the fastest way to do that? We are here to show you in as quick as time as we can. Stay tuned. Once you've gone to www.youtube.com, go to the upper right, click on your profile picture, click on Settings, click on Add or Manage Your Channels. We want to go for YouTube channels, not brand accounts. Create a new channel. Account name will be Les Waller Workouts. Click Create. Boom! We now have a new channel tied to our les.waller@gmail.com account. If you want to know how to customize your channel and get this ready for YouTube SEO wise, in the near future I am going to record everything that I do to set up this account and put that out on Financial Independence Resource Education as well. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can get notification when that video is out, and you'll see everything I do to customize this new channel. Thanks for watching.